Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and our today's topic is buzzword, page number 4 to 6, reading done. So let's start the class, students. We will today learn from the book Buzzword. Now please look at the board. This is your buzzword book, and this is page number 4. Okay, today we will learn page number 4 to 6. Okay, just look here, look, read and match. So this is page number 4. So look here, what is this? That means we have to match the words with the pictures, draw lines. Okay, that means we have to match the words with the pictures by drawing a line. At first, just look, this is the picture of a pen, this is a book, this is a pencil, a box and a bag. And here is pencil, a bag, a pen, a book and a box. Actually, this is done for you. The first one is done for you. That means the book is done for you. So what is this? This is a pen. A pen, this is a pen. So we have to match pen with this one. Okay, that means we have to match this one. Now the next one, what is this? This is a pencil. So where is the pencil here? This is a pencil. So the match this properly. Okay, now go to the next one. What is this? This is the picture of a box, and this is the word box. So we have to match it. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a bag, and this is the word a bag. So we have to match it. Okay, so a pen, a book, a pencil, a box and a bag. Okay, now go to the next page, page number 5. Okay, this is page number 5. Just look here, look, listen and repeat. Look at each picture, listen to your teacher, repeat the word. Okay, just look, there are 4 pictures here, and under this picture the names actually mentioned here. The names are mentioned here, so we have to learn it. Just look at the first one. What is this? This is the picture of a cat. A cat. A cat. Just look at what is this? This is the picture of a cat. A cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Okay. Now the next one. What is this? This is the picture of a rat. A rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. So what is this? This is the picture of a rat. Now the next one, just look here. What is this? This is the picture of a mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. So this is the picture of a mat. And now just look here. What is this? This is the picture of a bat. We play cricket with bat. Bat. B-A-T, bat. Student, just look here. This is B-A-T, bat. A bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. So in page number 5, what have we learned? We have learned a cat, a rat, a mat and a bat. Total 4 words here. Now go to the next page. Page number 6. Just look here. Look and read. Look at the pictures. Read the words aloud after your teacher. Okay. So what is this? The first picture, what is this? This is the picture of an apple. A for apple, an aeroplane, an ant and an X. So these are the letters, starts with A. So A for an apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. A-double-P-L-E, apple. This is the picture of an aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, plane, aeroplane. A-E-R-O, arrow. P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now the next one is an ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. A-N-T, ant. So this is the picture of an ant. And this is an X. A-X-E, X. A-X-E, X. A-X-E, X. So here what have we learned? Total 4 words we have learned here: an apple, an aeroplane, an ant, and an X. Now B. A bag, a baby, a book, and a boy. At first, a bag, B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag. A baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, B-A-B-Y, baby, a baby. Now the next one, what is this? This is the picture of a book, a book, B-O-O-K, book, B-O-O-K, book, B-O-O-K, book. And the last picture, what is this? This is the picture of a boy, B-O-Y, boy, B-O-Y, boy, B-O-Y, boy. So these 4 words actually start with B. A bag, a baby, a book, and a boy. Students, now this is time for your homework. This is HW number 14. HW number 14 is making words with D, E, and F. These 3 letters. That means you have to make 2 words with these 3 letters. And you must mention your HW number. This is HW 14, making words with D, E, F. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.